Hey everybody, I'm Corey Mikes with Fat Boys BBQ out of Temple, Texas. I want to share with you my passion of barbecue. I was born into the smoke and fire barbecue. I was mentored by a 3-time world champion father. I want to give you my techniques, my rub recipes, my sauce recipes. I want to show you everything I'm doing that takes the backyard guys, the competition guys, the tailgaters, and elevates your game to the next level. I want you to win the chicken at the American Roll just like I have. I want you to win ribs at the American Roll just like I have. I want you to be proud of the stuff that you're putting forth, and you just take it out and everyone enjoy it. I'm going to show you all my secret techniques for brisket, ribs, chicken, and pork. I'm going to show you how to pick, select your meat. I'm going to show you how to trim it, season it, inject it, smoke it, slice it up, and make it delicious. You buy 1 meat, 2 meat, 3 meats, 4 meats. If you buy 4 meats, you're going to get access with me through a personal Facebook page. You ask me any question you want at any time. Go ahead and buy my class. By using all of my techniques, my rubs, my sauces, I'm going to teach you how to take your barbecue to the next level.